extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on a right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night.
Hi, how's that teenager? Bula hai. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. But separate ways ain't gon' end well. No, but when we get back, it's like, oh my. All that all day, but the night get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. He smiles wide, cause he's the center of attention now. And he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, cause she's the center of attention now. And she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, cause it's scary being seen in daylight.
Laki duality para el matika background. I can't imagine. Kuskala nje kusenga
Uku otluwe
phakise mahetla.
smile fana ka smile.
Etsa he tlo. Take your time, Namaskar. Hi guys, today it is Saturday and I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. I don't feel you guys my outfit of the day. My face is stunning, and then I'm wearing a trench coat from Fushini. I'm wearing this tracksuit green, it's olive green tracksuit that I got from Pick n Pay, and then the trench coat is from Fushini. And yeah, and the shoes that I'm wearing, they are very warm. It's my boots. I got them long time ago in Midrand. And yeah guys, I'm ready to go. I'm attending an event. It's a YFM event today, and then I'm gonna try and take you guys with me. Hopefully I won't get nervous, but yeah, I am ready. I am ready to go and just meet other content creators. I wanted to greet you guys and say Jimanang. I hope you guys are good. And yeah guys, this is me and my outfit of the day. Let's go. Peace.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
I would say anywhere between 2 to 3, so 2, 3 to 5 videos. So either 2 videos per week, 3 videos per week, or 5 videos per week is a good cadence. Make use of our in-app effects, because if you do, that kind of starts making your content TikTok native. So for example, Duet is very specific to TikTok. That's a way to make your content TikTok native. And then use your hashtags, because that can also help you better surface your content. When we're talking trends, just one thing to add here is, please don't feel like you have to create the trend exactly in the same way that you found the trend. Make it your own, diversify the trend. That also just pumps new life into the trend. And the other thing is that you don't also only have to create trends, because if you're not a creator that's creating trends, that probably means that you are going to be creating the new trend. And now just to quickly talk about creating high quality content on TikTok. So when you're creating high quality content on TikTok, there's 3 things to remember. Your content needs to be well crafted, it needs to be engaging, and it needs to be specialized. So when we say well crafted content, that means that you've thought exactly about what that video is going to look like. You've planned it. You didn't just wake up like me and go, ooh, my face looks good today, I'm going to shoot a video. So you've crafted the video and you've thought about it very carefully. Remember that your content needs to be engaged. You will not have access to monetization features on the business account. The second reason is the personal account has a much bigger sound library. So all of the trending sounds that you are hearing, whether you're finding them on TikTok first or you hear them on the radio, you'll have access to them. Whereas if you have a business account, the commercial library is a library that is specific. It has sounds that are licensed specifically for business use. So highly recommend using a personal account versus the business account. Once you've set your accounts up, you want to think about your content strategy. And here are some things that you can think about. So the first one is, how are you going to inspire creativity and bring joy each day? How are you going to allow your community to discover new ideas, to learn new skills, and to have fun?
I have my key cards in case I forget. I am old. I am actually 30. You guys don't know. I'm 30 years old, which is quite old. 30 years old! It is! Thank you, it is. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and my story and why I make things and I grow things and I forage and all of that. So, I was born in a rural coastal village in the Eastern Cape, very small. We're about So my village was about, at the time, the only town that you could shop in was about 80 kilometers away. So I grew up in a home where we always growled, we had livestock, everything was always cooked from scratch. I didn't even know you could buy some of the stuff that you can buy now. So that is my background.